Motherhood is truly sacred, not just for humans, but also for animals. Today, we will witness a mother cat giving birth and caring for her kittens. I will support the mother cat through this process safely. By chance, I discovered my mother cat in labor. Surprisingly, I recorded the entire process. At that moment, she had already given birth to 2 tiny kittens. I quickly prepared a clean space for her and the babies. At this point, the mother cat looked quite exhausted, breathing heavily. She carefully licked the blood off herself and her kittens. The fragile kittens began to seek their mother's milk and nurse. This is when I assisted the mother cat. The kittens nursed eagerly. I gave the mother cat some food to regain her strength. The journey ahead is still long and challenging. After a while, the contractions hit again. It seemed like the mother cat was about to give birth to another one. And another kitten was born. Watching the mother cat, I could see the pain of childbirth. The mother cat licked the blood off the newborn kitten. This helps the kitten stay warm and avoid infection. It also provides valuable nutrition for the mother. The mother cat cares very attentively. She licks her kitten thoroughly to keep it completely clean. After a while, the kitten was able to move. It safely found its mother's milk. After each birth, the blood-soaked bedding becomes increasingly saturated. I gently stroked and encouraged the resilient mother cat. Seeing the newborn kitten, I was curious to touch it. But the mother cat protected her baby and refused me, even though I had cared for her every day. I was truly surprised. What do you think of the mother cat's protective actions? The mother cat continued to lick away the blood from her body. What a clean and caring mother she is. After a while, she lay down to rest. Perhaps the mother cat is preparing to give birth to another one. And soon the 4th kitten was born. The kitten arrived easily and healthily. It was wrapped in a thick membrane. The mother cat continued to lick the membrane off to keep the kitten clean and comfortable. Finally, everything was safe and stable. The mother cat ate the membrane to stay healthy. By now, the kittens were able to move and find their way to the milk. Not long after, the mother cat showed signs of giving birth again. With a strong breath, another little kitten was born. The kitten was wrapped in a rather thick membrane. I checked and saw the kitten lying still but still breathing. After a while, the kitten started to move. And so, we had the 5th little kitten. The mother cat continued cleaning up the blood after giving birth. The membrane around this kitten was quite thick and large. The mother cat bit it off piece by piece and ate it. This was very beneficial for her at this moment. She then licked clean whatever remained on the kitten's body. This little kitten was covered in a lot of fluid and blood. Newborn kittens are so fragile and tiny. The mother cat fed her kittens with deep affection. They nursed eagerly. I stroked the mother cat as a way of thanking her and appreciating this noble task. I gave the mother cat some more food to help her regain her strength, and she ate heartily. It seemed like she was still hungry. I went to get more food for the mother cat. Giving birth had taken a lot of her energy, so she needed extra food to recover. After eating, she rested and continued feeding her kittens. After a while, it seemed like something else was coming. I saw part of the sack begin to appear. This time, it might be a rather large kitten. The mother cat used a lot of effort to push the kitten out. I helped the mother cat move her other kittens aside. She needed space to deliver the new kitten. And here was the sixth kitten, quite a large number for one mother cat. The mother cat continued to clean her newborn kitten. She licked away any remaining fluids from the kitten and herself. A rather large sack was removed, and the mother cat was eating it. Perhaps the mother cat needed this more than we realize. She ate everything, leaving nothing behind. After all her hard work, the noble task was complete. 6 adorable kittens were born, all of them safe and sound. After many hours of effort, the mother cat successfully gave birth to 6 healthy kittens. These sacred moments not only show the sacred bond of motherhood, but also the resilience of the mother cat. We hope that this incredible journey will bring strength and love to everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, so we can continue sharing more touching stories. Thank you for watching.